Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I braid my hair down underneath my wigs. So we're just going to jump into the video. So my hair right now is in conditioner. It has conditioner in it right now. I slept with the conditioner overnight just because I needed to bring back some moisture into my hair after I went through a whole cleansing process of, getting rid of dirt and all that stuff in my hair. So the first thing I like to do is I like to kind of section off like the edges, like front part of my hair, so I don't braid that part down because I'm trying to protect my edges. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist them. Just do like a little flat twist, not too harsh. Just a loose flat twist to just to get them out the way. I'm not going to braid them down. This is what I do with every time I braid. I make sure I keep like my edges out because I don't want to damage them. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and section off so what I like to do is I mainly wear my wigs in a middle part most of the time. That's what I like. So since that's how I'm going to wear most of my wigs, I like to make sure that part of my hair is the front half of my hair is flat. So that's why I don't just do straight cornrows going straight back, because I like the front half of my head to lay flat when I put on my wigs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the front half of my hair, and I'm going to do some braids. I'm going to do 3 braids going down the side of my head. I'm not sure what these are called. I don't know if they even have a name, but yeah, I'm just going to cornrow my hair down the sides. I'm going to do 3. So as you can see, I am not a braider whatsoever. The reason I braid my hair while it's in the conditioner is because I get a lot of slip. I'm able to braid my hair easily. Like, it helps me a lot, because when I used to braid my hair dry, I don't have the patience at all. So I used to just rip through my hair. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I used to just rip through my hair, and that created a lot of damage. So I realized, like, when I braid my hair while it's still in the conditioner, like, it helps a great deal so that, I don't rip my hair out. Yeah, it's just a lot easier for me. So after I do this first braid and then I go into my second braid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect that first braid with that second braid. You'll see I know I'm moving ahead of schedule, but you'll see that coming up. Sorry guys about this angle. So right now I grab the first braid that I did. So before I finish completing the second braid all the way to the end, I went ahead and grabbed the first braid and just started braiding both of them together. So that way it's like I don't have two separate pieces of braids, two separate braids, because when it's time to put it all together and put it underneath the wig cap, it's pretty much just like one kind of unison braid, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to go into the third braid and I'm going to do the same thing. So the first two braids are connected, and then once I get almost halfway down the third braid, I'm going to grab the two braids that are connected and I'm going to braid all three braids together. Alright, so this is where I start to cone roll my hair going straight back. So after I did those three braids in the front, I'm going to start to cone roll my hair in the back. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these three braids that I connected together in the front, and I'm going to section my hair off in the back and connect that to the cone roll in the back, if that made any sense. I mean, you guys can see it, but I'm trying to I'm trying to word it correctly, but I don't know exactly. But you guys see what I'm trying to say though. So yeah, I'm just going to connect the three braids I did in the front and connect it to the back and create one cone roll. So now I'm just going to be doing straight cone rolls going back now. And I think I'm going to be doing two to three more cone rolls right now. So what I like to also do is I like to split my hair down the middle. So right now I'm working on the right side of my head, and then later on, once I'm done with the right side of my head, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the left side of my head. So I pretty much do the same thing that I'm doing on the right side of my head, I'm going to do it on my left side of my head. I like to split my hair down the middle because it's just easier for me to basically make sure, like, you know, I'm not working with too much hair and I don't get the hair tangled and all that stuff like that. It's an easier way for me to keep my braids clean and, you know, and not grab hair from the other side of my head, and, you know, so it just doesn't become a big old mess. So and also I like to split my hair down the middle, because then when I go, because at the end when I braid all the braids together to put underneath my wig cap, like, it'll fit directly in the middle of that space. You'll see towards the end of the video what I'm talking about. So this is my hair all braided up. It still has the conditioner in it. I'm getting ready to wash the conditioner out. I just want to show you guys my whole head completed with the braids. So in the next clip, you'll see that I completely washed out my braids, and I went ahead and did my whole moisturizing process. I do have a video on that. It's, what's it called? It's how I prep my hair for my protective style video, if you want to go check that out. And so now it's towards the end of the video, and so this is what I was talking about. So right now I'm going to take all the braids and create one big braid. And since I had split my hair down the middle, once I've completed making this big braid, it should fit like right into that space in the middle of my head. So that way it can lay, it could just lay flat, like, as you can see, yeah. It could just go ahead and lay right there in that spot. And if you want to, you could go ahead and like pin that down. I used to use hairpins to pin it down, but now I just really use my stocking cap to kind of just keep my hair in place. And then I'm going to just go ahead and tuck the flat twist into the stocking cap as well. And I just plop my wig on. And that's pretty much how I braid my hair. I hope you guys found this video informative. And, you know, thank you guys so very much for clicking on my video and watching my video. I hope you guys share this video, like this video. Go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.
God's plan. I hope that sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes.